Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this custom scoreboard on Minecraft. You can customize it however you like, and just let me show you how to install it. So you want to go ahead to the website called mcpedl.com. I'm going to leave it in the description, and you want to go ahead and search for Qtys Instant Scoreboard. Then you're going to scroll down until you will see downloads, and you're going to choose MediaFire. After that, you will be redirected to this page, and you're gonna click download button right there. Now, after you have downloaded, you want to add it to your desktop, for example, and you want to go ahead and close your Minecraft. Make sure it's not open. And after that, you want to double click on Qtys Instant Scoreboard. Now it will start loading Minecraft. And here at the top, you will see import started. And if you don't have, as you can see, I already have it, so it's a duplicate pack and I cannot import it again, but basically you will see it here, successful installation. Now after that, you want to click play, then create a new world, and right there you want to choose creative and peaceful. You want to write down your world's name. After that, you want to go to experiments right there at the bottom, and this is really important, you want to turn on beta APIs and turn on experiments anyway. This is the most important part, otherwise it will not work. And you also want to go ahead to cheats, and you want to turn the cheats on. Now you want to go to behavior packs, and right there you will see Qtys Instant Scoreboard. You want to click activate button, and it's been activated now. After that, click create. Now you want to go ahead and select inventory, and here you want to write down scoreboard, and you want to add it right there. Now you want to open the scoreboard, and you want to add the rank. So you want to go ahead and add VIP, and also you want to go ahead and add owner. Now after you've done that, you want to go ahead and add a tag. So you're going to add tag, then you're going to enter your name. And after that, you're going to add owner. Now you want to go ahead to the scoreboard settings right there, and you can go ahead and add a title, something like so. Now you're going to choose a title color. Let's leave it like so. Now you can choose bold font, template. You can also toggle on money, and let's make it bold. You can toggle on deaths, player kills, rank. Then you're gonna submit it. Now, how to add money to the scoreboard. And here it is. As you can see, now the money was added. You can also go ahead and add player kills. Here you have player kills 100. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.